The Exchequer Dynamics Xsync data migration and synchronization tool enables Exchequer customers to get data from the Exchequer pervasive database, convert all of the split integers into proper floating point decimal values, and to convert the text date values into proper date time values so that they can be exported into either a Microsoft SQL server or an Oracle SQL Server database, and from there you can report and analyze the data in either the XReport visual query builder and reporting tool, Crystal Reports, or any other SQL based data reporting tool. Xsync is extremely easy to set up. You simply have to select the SQL Server or MySQL data source that you want to connect to, select the server, select the SQL schema, and then select the pervasive database which has been set up in ODBC. Once that's been set up and connected, you simply have to connect to the SQL Server database and connect to the pervasive data source. Once you've selected the data sources and they're switched on, you can see down here that their indicator is being connected. You can simply select the data sources that you wish to connect to. For this demonstration, we're going to just select a few tables, and we can then simply kick off the synchronization. It then shows the active threads whilst the data is being converted. As soon as the count is up, that data is being written into the SQL Server database, and that's all there is to do to get data into the SQL Server. One of the other features within Xsync is the ability to cycle the synchronization so that it will happen in a continuous loop. And all you have to do is to select the synchronization loop button, kick off your synchronization, and it will continue looping until such time as you tell it to stop. Because of the high volume of transactions within the transaction headers and transaction lines table, we've added the functionality so that you can select the financial year of the data that you want to analyze and report on, and select the Exchequer period. Once you've selected the period, you can select the transaction and transaction lines that you're interested in and synchronize the data in a much smaller subset of data. This gives you the ability to take a quick snapshot of your data and to report onto the day-to-day transactions of what's happening with your Exchequer data.